everybody, this is Tina. Welcome to my video today, you guys. I wanted to share with you my one little word album and the word I'll be using for this year. I always give you guys a little bit of a walkthrough of my project at the very beginning of the year. If you're not familiar, one little word is a project that Ali Edwards does every single year. And the basic idea is you pick a word and you focus on it all year, and she does this incredible workshop, and I've done it for the last 4 years with her, and I've taken the workshop and it's amazing. So this year, my word, I'll tell you what my word is in just a minute. I always do this size album. I do a 6x8 album. This is a Stampin' Up album. And then what I always do is I pick a set of paper and usually a core kit. And that's what I use to do the whole album. It's the theme and the colors that I use for the whole year. So this year I have this paper, and I actually found it on Amazon. It was an accident. I was doing my Christmas shopping on Amazon and it popped up as a suggested item, and I clicked on it, and I had never heard the brand of the cardstock before, or the designer paper before, and it was only $5. And so I picked up a couple packs because I loved the designs of it, and it turns out this is a really great designer paper. The quality is really good, and if you head over to my website, you will see all of the supplies that I'm using. I list those out. So I got a bunch of supplies from Ali Edwards as well. I purchased the kit, the class, the workshop, which is, it was $26. I think it's gone up $5. So I got the workshop, which is a year-long workshop. The first of every month you get a prompt and you follow it. And then I also purchased a bunch of supplies from her, and I'll talk about that. So this Make It Visible piece right here is a wood piece, and it came in the main kit I got from Ali Edwards. And then my symbol this year is butterflies. I did that one other year, and I'm using the Stampin' Up butterfly punch. It worked out perfect. So my word this year is connect. I'm really excited about this word. It was very, very clear to me. My word usually comes to me in October, and just like clockwork, it did this year again too. I was nervous about it because I had not really had a word come to me yet. And sure enough, by the end of October, I knew exactly what my word needed to be. So it is connect this year. I start out my album with this tag, and this is a tag that I got from Ali Edwards. It was an add-on product. This heart came in the main kit. Again, on my website, you will see all of the product that I used, and I will link everything that I have that I can still find. On the back of this tag, I've just added some more of the paper. I've added a couple of the chipboard pieces that came in. I think this was an add-on from Ali Edwards. And then I got the dividers from Ali Edwards because it just makes it easier. Honestly, I've made my own dividers in the past, and it's just one less thing. So I always get the dividers. I love that she does these transparent dividers like this. I really probably should stock up and get a couple years in case she changes them. One year she did clear dividers that had the months at the top, and I really didn't like those. I didn't get them that year. And then this came in the main kit, this Believe I Can. It's a circle. And then I just added this little heart. It's kind of hard to see. It's a heart paper clip, and I tucked a butterfly under there and added a little bit of ribbon. I added ribbon. This is Stampin' Up ribbon, a retired ribbon, and I added that to the top of the tag. And then on the back here, I have facts, not feelings. And then this transparency butterfly came in the main kit, and then I added cardstock from the Stampin' Up butterfly punch. Let me show you guys what that looks like. Here is that punch from Stampin' Up that I'm using. I went with sort of a yellow kind of theme again. This paper has yellow in it, and so I'm using the Midnight Core Kit from Becky Higgins if I need any like 3x4 cards. Most of these cards that you're going to see came in the main kit. So that's my word, the one little word, and I added some paper, and then this black card here is from the main kit, and then the January is also from the main kit, and then I have a piece of chipboard that was an add-on. And so then on the back here, I have a photo of myself, and then I have the reason why, the definition. I added that butterfly punch again. And then this year I typed out a bunch of this stuff, which I've never done before. And then I have a 3x8 insert. I need to stamp on my tag. Sorry about the glare, you guys. I need to stamp on my tag right here, but I'll do that. And then it says, let's do this. And then a quote. And again, I've added paper and I've added the butterfly. And then here is this one. And this is both sides. It's double-sided. I hand wrote this out so I could have some of my handwriting in here. And then I typed out all of this, and I think I'm going to try to do that a little bit more this year. And then just as an added, I wanted to add this. It was a photo of a song from a songbook in church, and I just punched that. I punched holes in the photos, in the photo. And then on the back, I covered the back with paper, and then I added another quote thing that I had. These were just two things that I had laying on my desk, and I didn't end up using them in my regular Project Life album, and I felt like they were more fitting in this. So I just went ahead and did that, and I love having things outside the pockets. This is one thing that I really love about Project Life and being in a D-ring album and having these albums that have the rings like this is I really love having interactive items outside my album. So you'll see that butterfly is outside the album, and then I love the way page protectors stack on each other like this. I really love that. And then like being able to do this I think is so fun. And then what I've done is I've done all of my tabs here for the rest of the months. And then for June, I bought an add-on that is the in progress, and it's the prompt that she does every June. It's like looking back, and it's kind of halfway through the year. I added this lessons learned, and this is an Allie Edwards product, but I don't know where I got it. I think it might have came from a story kit. So I just added this onto the things here, and then I'll probably color it or something when this month comes up. So it says lessons learned, and then it's the two pieces here. And I'll probably maybe do a full photo here. And then I've added the December piece as well to the very back. And then I just have a variety of page protectors that I'll use throughout the year. I just like keeping them there. And then I have a whole drawer that is my one little word drawer that I tuck the whole album and everything into. On my website, I'll share a picture of that. And it just has all of my one little word product, and I even keep my album in there when I'm not working on it. But that is my one little word album for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. If you're doing one little word, let me know, and let me know what your word is. Mine is connect, and I'm loving it so far. I'm nervous about this word this year. I usually have a lot of confidence in the word that I choose, like I know why I've chosen it, but connect is one that I am a little bit nervous about because I don't know what this year is going to hold for me and this word, but I'm excited. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my album. There's photos on my website along with a whole bunch of links, so make sure you check that out. Thanks guys, and I will talk to you guys later.